This video is going over the encoders for any combined precincts, which are precincts that have multiple precincts on their voting machines. So, first thing you want to do is plug in the encoder into the side where the power plugs into the iPad. Now, throughout the day, you will need power because the encoder does use more. You'll have to use these cords we provide because the encoder does not use Apple for its power. You will still have to use the Apple plug from your box for the USB side. And then you just plug it into the bottom. Make sure to gently plug it in and get it in right. Okay? Now, you'll bring up your PollPad app. Hit get started. And you have to put in your password. Once you put in your password, you'll see you have the scan barcode and manual entry. So, just like normal, hit scan barcode, put their ID in. Want to make sure there's no glare on the license. Okay, select that voter. Address unchanged. If it's unchanged, make sure they have the correct address again. Hit accept. The voter will sign in. Done signing. Compare signatures. Again, shows the information. Hit submit. Now, it asks for the vote card to encode it. So you'll have your vote cards. To encode it, you will turn it to where the metal contact is facing you. Gently put it into the slot on the side. You'll see it turn blue. Then acknowledge the card. Then you'll hit create card at the top. You'll create the card, print the receipt. You'll see that person is checked in. So you want to keep the card and receipt together for that voter so the judge can then put them into the voting machine. When the judge puts them in the voting machine, put the vote card in with the blue facing you into the voting machine. Wait till the machine acknowledges it. Then take the vote card out and the ballot will come up for the voter. And it's the same with manual entry. You'll find person, last name in the first box, first name in the last box. Search. Select the voter. Make sure their information matches their license. Address unchanged. Everything matches, they agree. Hit accept. They'll sign in. Done signing. Compare signature. Information is the same. Hit submit. Again, asks you to create the card. So we have your blue vote card. Metal part facing you. Gently into the side. Give it a second or two to acknowledge the card. Again, blue there. Precinct there. Hit create card. Says that person is checked in. Take the receipt, remove the card, and head to the voting machine. Now, in case the card does not encode correctly, we have what we're going to call a blank MasterCard, and we'll have on here, do not encode this card. Do not put this card in the encoder. This is for manual entry only. Open the envelope, take out that vote card. You'll insert into the voting machine, and you'll have to manually select the precinct for that voter. Once you've selected the precinct, then you'll take the vote card out, and the voter can vote. Then put this card immediately back into this envelope, because again, it's not to be used unless you have to use manual entry on the voting machine. Otherwise, you use the encoder throughout the day as normal.